Boom.
And there you have it.
Got some charge going.
Welcome back to Barricade Rides, videos for motorcycle enthusiasts. I'm here with Batsey, and we're about to install this USB charger to his Street 750. And we're gonna have to lift up the tank, remove the seat and whatnot, and we're gonna run it up underneath, make it nice and clean. And we're gonna use the same thing that I used. We're gonna use the 3M stick tape to stick it to the frame, so that way it's nice, clean, no zip ties, no drilling or anything required.
Alright, ghouls and goblins, time to get this going. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the seat off, because we're gonna want to run that from right about here. I got my little cable. It's gonna run all the way up through underneath the tank, so I have to get that removed. I'm not gonna take it off fully, because what's the point? But I'm gonna try to get it stuck over here. Let's go ahead and take the seat off real quick. So I got the wire right about here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and unlatch the tank here with some Allen keys, lift this up a little bit, and get this running underneath here. Oh, that's already pretty loose. Yeah, be careful with that. Should just lift up. So I got plenty of room under here to run this through. So let's go ahead and map this out. So it just snaps in like that. Tuck that down here. Run this over under here. About here. Couple of wiry bits down there, so I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it underneath it. I'm just going to run this in between. If I can get it to fit without breaking anything. There we go. I'm just gonna stick it on this side of the wire. So one thing I want to make sure to do is make sure it stays off of here. So I'm gonna run this as far into the middle as possible. I got the 3M tape. Just gonna go ahead and warm that up. Best way to really get this going. So I'm just gonna end up sticking it right here underneath the wires. So that's it. Yeah, that should sit about there. Still be able to pop that open. Plug in my stuff. Just a little forward though. Alright. And then once I get this stuck, I'm just going to go ahead and try to run it up here as much as possible. Still want to go this way? No, that doesn't work that well. Forward. No, because that turn. Yeah, because I'm not wanting to put it over here where it'll be pulled. I could just stick it right here. That is an idea. My phone mount's right here, so I just need a little shorty cable. Yeah, I think right there it will be fine. I can still open the cap all the way. So, let's go ahead and pull this out and get that started. Stick it to here first. That's where I want it. As flat as possible. There we go. Alright, tricky part. Just trying not to get all the wires stuck to it and get this up in there before everything else gets stuck to it. Alright, game on. Just throw the cap back on. Back through. And just give it some extra love to try to make it stick as much as possible. Because even during long rides, this shouldn't just pop off so easily. It's one of those, isn't it? There we go. Make sure all this is up high enough. Alright, so I got it all tucked in here, off to the side. Got the liquid box thingy. Alarm has been great. I love it. People leave my bike alone. Caught some dudes trying to pose with it outside my apartment complex, and that was entertaining. Alarm goes off, they're like, oh, I guess he doesn't want us touching his bike. No fucking shit, don't touch my fucking bike. Let's get the bolt back on. Make sure my tank is secured. Definitely gonna tighten it a little tighter than what it was. As you can tell, I need to wash my bike. I bought it at the beginning of winter, and it's been raining, it's been snowing, it's been doing this, that, and the third, so I haven't washed it, because I'll just have to wash it again the next day, and then the next day, and then the next day, and so on and so forth. Put this back in. There we go. That's all good. Now the wires are exposed. Perfect. That's all set up. Let's go ahead and test that out. Phone here. Plug this guy in here. My only worry is when it's raining, I won't be able to charge my stuff, but I ain't too worried about it.
He doesn't have an iPhone, so it's confusing to me, so boom.
Alright.
Another successful
and another
install.
fun thing is it has a second port, so I can even get this one in. And you gotta put it in 3 times before you get it in there. You gotta Try it once, doesn't work, flip it. Try it again, doesn't work, flip it. It's gonna work. So, I'll probably use a longer cable for this, but road trips and everything, I can charge that up as well.
Charging as well.
So I'll always have my battery pack for when I'm off the bike, and then charge my phone while riding, which is going to be awesome because when we take some trips, we can charge the GoPro as well.
Boom. All right, there we have it. Quick and easy USB install for Street 750.
Super simple.
I was inside taking care of something, and I come out and I see him messing with the seat, and I just assume he's not done yet, but he was finishing up. And we're gonna have a 20,000 mile summer this year, so we're gonna need every advantage we can. We're at a little bit of a disadvantage with the Street 750 and the tank size, but we're remedying a lot of that.
Got the rack here so I can put a gas tank on it.
Yep, we're gonna carry a gas can when we ride. So, as always, brothers and sisters,
Stay safe.
ride your ride.